Did you know there's a sound so terrifying that scientists thought a sea monster made it? In 1997, underwater microphones picked up something impossible. They called it the bloop. This wasn't just any sound, it was louder than a blue whale's call. So loud it traveled 5,000 kilometers across the Pacific Ocean. So deep and strange that it made scientists' skin crawl. The recording lasted 1 minute, but those 60 seconds changed everything. The sound had patterns that seemed almost alive, like something massive was singing from the deepest parts of the ocean. For 15 years, no one could explain it. Marine biologists wondered if an ancient sea creature had awakened, something bigger than any whale we'd ever seen. The sound was haunting, otherworldly. It didn't match anything on Earth. Then in 2012, scientists finally solved the mystery. It was ice, a massive Antarctic ice sheet cracking and crashing into the ocean. But here's the creepy part. They still can't explain why the ice made such a biological sounding pattern. Some sounds from the deep remain unexplained.